Remember when changing your phone's color was as easy as buying a new case? Unfortunately, that's not possible anymore with today's smartphones. Well, at least it's not that easy without buying a new phone. This phone, however, seems to be bringing that feature back, somehow. But rather than changing the case, you expose the phone to a different temperature. Pretty neat, right? What's up guys? I'm Nico from Yugatech, and today, let's check out the new Vivo V25 smartphone. When we mentioned color changing a while ago on the Vivo V25, we don't mean the entire phone. Instead, only the back panel changes color depending on the temperature. If it's hot, you'll notice that it turns into a dark shade of orange. But in room temperature or cold environments, you get this beautiful gold color with some reflections of blue depending on the lighting. Do note that the color changing back piece only works with the sunrise gold colorway. The other color available, the diamond black, does not come with the same feature. So the V25 out of the box can do a cool party trick and be a good talking piece with other people. But aside from the color changing back piece, the phone itself is quite loaded. The V25 features more boxy corners which make the phone easy to hold and use. The volume and power buttons are found on the right side while there are none on the left and top side. The SIM card and SD card are found at the bottom together with the USB-C charger and loudspeaker. Interestingly, no 3.5 audio jack on this phone, but you do get a USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter. At the back, you'll find the triple camera system which comprises of a 64MP main camera, 8MP super wide angle, and 2MP super macro lens. We like how Vivo color matched the camera bezel to sunrise gold instead, and only left the part in gold of leaving it black or a different color. The camera is great and produces nice colors out of the box, especially in bright areas. But what really surprised me was how it performed in low to no light conditions. Using night mode, the photos didn't come out heavily filtered or grainy like most Android cameras. Instead, the V25 takes great photos at night, which you can see in some of our sample photos over here. However, there are still limitations to the V25's camera. For starters, Vivo actually suggests using a tripod when shooting in night mode for clearer photos. Also, shooting in Pro mode, ISO is limited to 3200 only. Still, it's a great camera, especially for the price point. It's also got other various features such as dual mode for taking videos that will be perfect for vloggers. Speaking of video, the V25 can record at a maximum of 4K at 30 frames per second. Flip it over and you have a large 6.44-inch Amoled display with a 2404 by 1080 resolution. The colors are great out of the box and it has a bright backlight, making it easy to use even while under the sun. It's nice to use and the screen doesn't lag or slow down whether you're going through the menu real quick or browsing through social media or surfing the net. That's mainly thanks to the maximum 90Hz refresh rate of the screen. Powering the phone is a MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, and it comes with 8GB of RAM available, which can be extended by another 8GB, giving you 16GB in total. As a result, it can run multiple apps in the background at the same time without the phone slowing down. Not to mention, it also comes with 5G connectivity. As a result, the phone can run most games with ease. No issues with COD Mobile, Mobile Legends, and the same can be said for more graphic-intensive titles such as Diablo Immortal. It can also keep up when playing rhythm games, such as D4DJ Groovy Mix on Expert Mode. Aside from playing games, you can also watch videos, binge Netflix or more with the smooth display. The only downside is you can't charge and use the audio jack at the same time. Whether you're taking photos and videos or playing games, there's no need to worry about the battery life on the V25. It packs a 4500 mAh battery and supports 44 super flash charge fast charging. Vivo says in 30 minutes it can be recharged from 61% from 1%. Now, let's talk about the price. The Vivo V25 with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage retails for 23,999 pesos, making it quite affordable for everything it has to offer. You get an all-rounder smartphone with a really nice camera, a powerful chipset, and a color-shifting back panel, assuming you got it in this color. But the question is, would you consider the V25 as your next phone? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Also, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And visit our website at yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Nico of Yugatech, and I'll catch you later.